Mommin' on a budget, mommin' on a budget, mommin'. Hello, my mommians. It's your girl, Davida Catherine, coming back to you with another video. Today, I'm going to be showing you a cute little DIY using Walmart, Dollar Tree, and Target items. I'm decorating my table for Christmas, and I don't have everything that I need, but I thought that I would take you guys along with me as I start to set it up. Really quick video, really easy DIY. So let's go. Okay guys, so for this project, you are going to need a, this is like a dinner set, that is chalkboard that I got, chalkboard dinner set. For your forks, spoons, and knives, I got this for $1 at Target. You're also going to need ribbon of your choice, which I got this from Joann's, and it was 23 cents. So this is left over from another project. You are also going to need a bow, ribbon, or embellishment of your choice. I chose these mini size buffalo check bows. They were $1.98 at Walmart. And then silverware of your choice. This is a 12 pack, basically for a set of 4 from the Dollar Tree. And you can find this in the wedding section. You're gonna need a hot glue gun, a pair of scissors, and hot glue stick. So I have already pre-cut my ribbon. So what I'm going to do is just take my hot glue, and I'm gonna go right across. Ooh, a lot. That was a lot. And a lot of my DIYs are test and trial. So, you know, we're gonna test it and see how this come out. So I'm just gonna take this and I'm gonna place it as even as possible. And I'm just gonna take my scissor and just cut the excess off. I wanted to cut it a little bit bigger because I wanted to be able to make sure I had enough. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this bow, these cute little frayed bows that I found at Walmart for $1.98. It comes with like a twisty on the back. So what I'm gonna do, is I'm going to cut the twisty off, not too short, because I don't want it to break the bow. And I'm gonna be left with something like that. Just still cute. And then I'm just gonna take a little bit of hot glue. And I'm gonna try to center it the best way I can. And this is what we end up with. Now you can trim the little frayed pieces off, but I think that it makes it rustic and it gives it a little bit of character. So I'm gonna leave it on. Then I'm just gonna take my silverware. And nobody eats from these, guys. This is just for show. I'm gonna take a knife, a fork, and a spoon, and I'm just gonna line them on the inside, just like that. And this is what you end up with. So cute. It'll look really cute on your table. I think that when guests come over, they'll probably think that you bought it from somewhere, depending on the things that you use. I love it. I can't wait to show you guys the full setup. I'll give you a sneak peek of what I have right now set up, because I have these mats on my table right now. But I think what I'm going to actually do is do all black mats with, I don't know, we'll see. But I will give you guys an update in the next video because it should be all finished by then. But thank you guys for watching. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I am asking that you please do so. Leave a thumbs up on my channel. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and share. Bye. Okay, guys, this is what it looks like on the table. I just love it. This is my centerpiece right now. I have some ornament balls from the Dollar Tree. This is a vase that I made from the Dollar Tree using the Dollar Tree diamond wrap to keep it a little glam. These are candles that I made. The candles I got from the Dollar Tree as well as the rings. I just love it. Couldn't be happier.